everyone. This week I'm going to show you how to make some Play-Doh that is inspired by our sculpture artist, Nick Chen, that we learned all about last week. So for this activity, you need a bowl, you need flour, salt, cream of tartar, some food coloring if you want, a spoon, a couple different size measuring cups and spoons, and you're going to also need a half cup of warm water. It does not need to be boiling. Mine is probably even a little too hot because I put it through my kettle. You could just stick a half a cup into the microwave and that would work just fine. So to start off, we're going to mix our dry ingredients. So we need a cup of flour. I'm going to put my 1 cup in here. I'm just going to kind of loosely base mine here. 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of salt. Salt sometimes takes a while, depending on your shaker. There's a 1/4 cup of salt. And then I need a tablespoon of this cream of tartar. You will find recipes online that make Play-Doh without cream of tartar. It is kind of a weird ingredient, but I really like to use it in my Play-Doh recipes. So I'm gonna give it a little stir, just mix it all up. Kind of in the center here, you wanna leave some space for the water. I'm gonna add some food coloring to mine, so I'm gonna add the food coloring to the water first. This is a natural food color, so it might change some of the color. It might be a little bit of a different color. It's a little light, so I'm gonna add a couple more drops. Of course, just like anytime we use food coloring in our activities, the more food coloring you add, the more brightly colored your dough will be. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour this in. Oh, I see bubbling. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a stir because the water's hot. I don't want to dig my hands in just yet. You can see it's forming this nice paste. I'm going to get all those loose pieces at the bottom. And then because it's not as hot, I can dig my hands in and I can start molding my dough. Now, just like any of the other slimes and doughs we've made here, the more you play with it, the less sticky it will become until you're left with a nice ball of Play-Doh. This won't last too long. I recommend keeping it in some kind of airtight container, probably for a couple days, and then you can make some beautiful sculptures with it, just like Nick Chen. I hope you have fun making Play-Doh. See you next time.